feel good. I knew that I would not. So good, so good. I got you.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Hello.
Welcome back, everybody.
And today, as you know, हम बोल के
हाँ.
that we have Marina Khan. She started her career with the drama Nishane Haider, right in the beginning.
Yes, and she's not only a Zabardast actress, she is also बहुत अच्छा director, and not only famous for her natural acting, she's also famous for her बहुत खूबसूरत मुस्कुराहट. And
Do you remember her with Sanya, with the Pink Panther? Of course you do. And recently ही उनका morning show खत्म हुआ है. We're very happy कि एक और morning show में वो इतनी जल्द वापस आ रही है. Please welcome Marina Khan.
Hi. Who do I greet first?
I feel good.
Hello. All those lies about me.
I knew that I would not.
Not you.
बैठिए
बैठ के जॉर्ज के साथ उर्दू बोलने में कितना मजा आएगा.
सिर्फ एक word बैठिए.
बैठिए.
Anyway, thank you बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for coming to the show. लेकिन
No, it's a pleasure.
but after all those morning show subah starts, why come again to subah?
I think why not? It मजा आया because अच्छा Urdu English
Okay.
English okay because you know waking up early became a habit sort of. And it was just like going again for the morning show. And also especially coming to your show, guys. I mean, it was very exciting when you guys started. So
Now we have some, like, I think we have a package, inshallah, we have a package of some of you as a baby. Take a,
as a baby.
very young, as a very young Marina. Take a look at this.
Your hairstyle.
Oh, these are the hairstyles. Oh my God! Where did you get those photos? Why the hairstyle? Oh, you only live once.
But
And I think
एक बहुत बड़ा like statement हो जाता था कि आपके बाल बहुत छोटे से बहुत लंबे हो जाते थे.
I think मैंने कभी इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं. I mean, I didn't do it because of the state. I used to just do it because I wanted to do something different. And it was just that. Actually, मैं reaction में भी बहुत चीजें करती हूँ. Depression की वजह से या if I'm angry or if I don't want to do something and I want to get out with जो बिल्कुल आपने जो छोटे बाल देखे that was I was doing this show for PTV and I actually didn't want to continue doing it. Sorry Khaja Saab, no, I don't mean it in a bad way. Except it was a live, no, it wasn't a live show. I had to go every Sunday and subah ko utna, catch the early morning flight, record 3 shows, come back. It was just killing me. And I wanted to cut my hair, but I didn't know how short I wanted to go. So मैं गई, and I was being me. It was myself and Noman Ejaz. We were the hosts of that show. मैंने काट लिए बाल. When Yasmin started cutting, she just kept on cutting, and Yasmin is saying bus, and Kegisha, my friend, was sitting with me, and I could see her face changing colors, and she's saying, I said, no, Yasmin, shorter, and then she took the razor and she cut the whole. And when I went for my recording, they freaked out. They just, I don't know, people freak out because of hair.
Is there like a rebel inside? क्योंकि जब I know आपके सफेद बाल के ऊपर भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपसे कहा है कि बाल कलर करें.
सफेद मैंने rebellion में किया था. सफेद इसलिए किया था because of this show. You know, no one stands up for you. मुझे इस बात का वो it wasn't कि मैंने अगर बाल काट दी. I said, what if I got cancer? You know, and my hair fell out. Would you stop casting me? You know, it was just something. I said it was something, and I'm still me. I'm still Marina, but no, it was. So then they didn't even call me to say the show is cancelled. They just stopped calling me for the show. It was, and I just felt that, you know, if I was the producer of that show, if I was the director, you'd stand up or you try and fight for your anchor. You know, so I got a little upset about that. Then the whole management change and. This new guy came from England and they called me and I was just sitting there. I said, I'll go, but you know. So then they wanted to do some big show which was going to go internationally. So obviously they wanted all the older stars. And I said, no, I'm not going to do it. They said, but आपके बाल इतने छोटे नहीं हैं. मैंने कहा पहले भी इतने छोटे नहीं थे. You know, I was just so angry. Then Saira and Zahir, they were doing the one of the PTV awards. And Saira ने कहा कर लो. And I know Zahir साहब very well, I know Saira very well, and because of them. But मैंने कहा मैं ऐसे नहीं करूँगी. So I went and I told Tariq, let's go white. So I sat through 5 bleaches to get that, because you. If you just bleach it once, it goes orange. Then it goes a canary color. Then it goes, there's different stage, because our pigmentation is very strong. Black, you know, or brown or whatever. And then he dyed it on top. So it became this silvery whitish. And believe me, people didn't recognize me when I went.
What was the reaction of
It was just crazy.
people on the street?
It was nobody. You know, the Goras started looking at me. It was so funny. Whenever you know, normally when you're driving, and if you have, well, at that time there were not that many foreigners, but whenever a car with foreigners would go by, I'd get this, you know, double take. I was like, oh, okay. So blondes do have more fun.
Okay, Marina, tell us a bit about आपके वालिदैन के बारे में.
Okay.
कि उनका कितना support रहा है career के हवाले से.
बहुत.
था या नहीं था, because you were coming from an army background.
Yeah. My father, not only that, Pathan, we come from Tank, which was, you know, at one time tribal area, not anymore. So there was all of that, but funnily enough, जब Rashid Minhas मैंने जब किया था, तो उस वक्त it was an Air Force play and one-off था and all that. But I think my father saw maybe a potential, I don't know, but when Tanhaiya came along, शहजाद साहब ने मुझे कॉल किया और ऑडिशन हुआ, सब कुछ हुआ. नहीं सर तुमने कहा, मैंने कहा नहीं शहजाद साहब मैं तो पिशावर जा रही हूँ. एंड वी जस्ट बीन पोस्टेड फ्रॉम पिशावर बैक टू कराची एंड डैडी हैड जस्ट रिटायर्ड. मैंने कहा मेरी दोस्तें हैं वहाँ, दोस्त हैं वहाँ, एंड यू नो आई वांट टू गो एंड मीट देम एंड ऑल दैट. एंड देन डैडी सैट मी डाउन इन वन डे, ही सेड, यू नो Marina, your friends are not going anywhere, but he says this chance that you're getting is not going to come again. So I would suggest you do this. And never look back. बाद में थोड़ा सा डांट भी.
And so they were supported right from the start.
Right from the start. Right.
जो आपका अबू और अम्मी.
Yeah, Mum to, you know, I think was like me, a total movie buff. I think Mum would have been an actress in another lifetime herself.
Really?
And I think I get this part of me from my mother.
Marina?
So Mum would never have.
Should we ask her? Should we ask
Oh,
her?
good Lord!
Hi.
Hello. Can you see?
Sort of.
Hiya, Mom.
Hi, darling. How are you?
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Can I give you both a hug?
Of course you
Because
can.
I think you are a wonderful couple. Bless you both. And it is so sweet of you to
Good Lord, I'm wondering where that sound was coming from.
Thank you, King.
Not
Thank
at
you.
all.
So
Lovely.
Marina was just saying that in another life she thinks she might have been an actress.
I think so.
Yes.
I always wanted to be George. She has fulfilled my dreams.
Acha.
Yeah. Of course, I was always very heavy. And I used to pray to God that I will wake up slim every morning and become an actress. But she's taken that role on for me, and I'm so proud of her.
So tell us what she was like, bachpan mein, as a child.
Okay, be truthful, huh?
Honestly.
Brat.
Not really. She was a pretty good kid. Pretty good kid. A lot of fun to be with. Surprisingly, rather an underconfident child in the early days. Never thought she'd turn out to be such a chatterbox.
Where did she get that from?
I think her father. Meaning he's not a chatterbox, but he talks a lot and he likes to express himself. And she's definitely got
The stubbornness also from Daddy.
very stubborn.
Very
Just like that.
Acha.